Hello and welcome to another update video about ONDO. Yeah, we haven't covered ONDO for a while. I have been covering it for our gold members nearly daily, I want to say, in the last few weeks. That's because we've seen a first possible 5-wave move to the upside from the August low. Then we had a 3-wave pullback. There was a support area hit to which the price reacted and rallied nicely, but could not form another 5-wave move up. So topped in 3 waves, which is what altcoins do a lot of times. And now we're coming down again. So we've got the next support area here now, which is the reason why I've made or why I'm making another video. Just to let you know, there is a support area. I consider it a weak support area because this pattern here is more than questionable. If this is playing out as a 1-2 setup, then the wave 2 would be a running flat, okay? Where the A wave, where the A wave was a 3-wave move in an ABC structure. The B wave was also an ABC structure, did overshoot to the upside, which is actually quite bullish. And then the C wave should be a 5-wave move. I don't really see a very clear pattern in the C wave at this stage. There's just not enough to work with. But that C wave needs to react before breaking below 55.7 cents. I mean, that's the last reliable, let's call it reliable. I actually did say in the beginning, I don't trust it, but it's sort of the last Fibonacci support area that we have for a direct bullish scenario before invalidation. Okay, what's the invalidation point? The formal invalidation point is not when the support area breaks. Formal invalidation is the 50.5 cent level, so the August low, okay? So this here would be the invalidation point, the formal invalidation point. I've highlighted this here with a red line, and any break below it would consider, or would make me reconsider the chart, require a reinterpretation. I would not be surprised at all if support breaks or if we see an invalidation of the micro pattern. I mean, this structure is just too choppy for a really reliable assessment. It was looking good, but now with the 3-wave rally, that's always questionable, okay? And these running flats or flat corrections often form if the price is not yet ready to break out to the upside, usually because of some issues in the wider sector. I mean, had the sector itself, including Bitcoin, been more directly bullish, you know, I think ONDO would have had a chance. But obviously there are correlations in the sector, and let's see. And if this follows through, it should send us higher, you know, $4, $5 plus is at least mathematical, a mathematical projection here. But first of all, I want to see if the market can now generate an upside reversal in this micro support area. Support is between 64 cents and 55.7. This is where I need to see an impulsive upside reaction. A break above the B wave high at 87 cents would suggest that the 3rd wave is unfolding. Then we can watch for waves 4 and 5. But for now, my immediate focus is on whether the price can form an upside reaction here in this micro support area. It's very important. So 55.7 cents is, you could say, the last bullish support level I have Fibonacci wise. And it's measured, you know, just based on the length of the wave 1. And ABC is sort of a running flat pattern where the C wave might not end below the low of the A wave. The A wave is very deep, so it's far from a reliable pattern. The A wave is actually too deep to be reliable. And the invalidation point, should be clear, 50.5 cents. I mean, another scenario could be that this wave 2 indeed bottomed here, but we're dealing with a diagonal pattern. This is an A wave, this is a B wave, and we would be watching for a C wave rally. But to be honest, it wouldn't change anything because the support should still hold also in that scenario. And looking at the bigger picture, I'm tracking this as here a potential 5-wave move up. But to really confirm that a substantial low has formed on the 5th of August, I need to see, as you know, all 5 waves completed to the upside. Then we can watch for a corrective pullback, which could act as a jump-off point then, this support area that we will then define in wave 2 to possibly trade a 3rd wave rally to the upside. Then we need a wave 4. Then we need a wave 5, of C, of 3, and so on. You know, this is sort of what we're tracking at the moment. That's the update about ONDO. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.